Yes, I believe Slovenia does have talent for talents. The country, as I said, like in the speech right today, is quite small, which allows actually to nurture the talents. It's quite small, so it allows to build the platform like for the talents, like technological, educational, industry-wise, government-wise. So I think, like as with the example with the Switzerland, we have absolutely the same foundation, which will give people opportunity to nurture talents. Yes. Talents are critical for the success of the company. I mean, like the company is obviously built in a normal psychological way, right? You have 5% of the people who have initiative, which means they are talents, right? They are moving the company forward. And then they have 95% of the people who are just sort of executing these initiatives, right? So I think without talent, it's like impossible to compete. It's impossible to grow. It's impossible to innovate. All of that can only be brought by the talent.